Hello, I'm Chef Damir from the Harrison store, and you're in the kitchen with the Kroger. Braised beef shank with white bean is a hearty and elegant meal. To start, heat oil in a heavy stock pot. Brown the beef shanks and set them aside. Next, sauté the vegetables and garlic. Then add the wine, simmer, and stir until the liquid reduces to about 3 cups. Add stock, tomato paste, and thyme. Return the beef to the pot. Bring it to a boil. Then cover, simmer, and stir for 30 minutes. In the meantime, chop parsley, lemon zest, and garlic to make a gremolata. Simmer the beef without a lid until tender. Next, cook more vegetables and garlic in oil until soft. Then add beans, stock, butter, and bay leaf and cook, stirring occasionally until the beans are creamy. Then place the beef shanks on a platter and cover. Strain the braising liquid into a saucepan. Boil the sauce, stirring occasionally until it's slightly thickened. Pour the sauce into a bowl, season with salt, pepper, butter, and tarragon leaves. Sprinkle the beef shanks with the remaining gremolata and serve with the beans and sauce. For this recipe and more, join us on Pinterest. And remember that Kroger carries everything you need for this and other great recipes.